All right, everyone. Here is this week's project. Now, for this, you're going to create a couple of loops. Pretty simple. We've covered quite a few already. The first loop that you're going to create, uh, you're going to need user input. And it's going to ask you how many times do you want to loop. And what you're going to do is type in a number, and it should loop that many times. Now, in my example, I typed in 5, and you see what it displayed for the 5. If I type in 10, it should display 10 of these. If I say 0, then nothing should pop up. If I say, 8, then it should do this 8 times. It should work however many times you type in. I often get a few people who get confused. They'll see this and they'll just make it go 5 times. So just keep in mind, it has to be whatever number you type in. Now, the second loop, we're going to make a loop that loops until you type in 0. Every time it's just going to say, hey, type in a number. If that number is 0, then the loop ends. Now, however you want to make that work, that is fine. Just make it work. I just want you to do these 2 loops here for me. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We should have covered everything you need to do both of these already at this point. So there's your quick rundown of this week's projects.